Alright guys, I'm going to show y'all how to make a little fish stringer on the fly to hold your fish. Cloudy wants to catch another one or two. Just a limb just like this that was a fork at the bottom. We got him one. Yeah, let's take a look at him. That little, well, that's a nice brim. Sit him down, buddy. Let him hit the ground. There you go. Yeah, that's a nice, looks like a bluegill. Awesome. Well, we got at least one to cook.
But it throws gill.
You could take the hook out first. And come off of there. And I'll sit them right in the water. Just like that. Just get that on the water. Good stuff. All right, back to fishing.